What's up, guys? Thank you guys so much for being back to the channel. In today's video, we've been waiting a long time. It's happening. We got Charlie here. We got a trailer. We got a Dodge. We're not buying a new car. We're taking the 65 Mustang to go get some body work. Dude's fine. What are you thinking?
Dude, I was driving by and there is a bad MILF that lives over there.
I got crazy thoughts that stay on my mind. I promise I'm fine. I'm doing alright. And I'm back again.
Okay, guys, so the game plan is we are gonna take the 65 Mustang off to Charlie's house. We're gonna do a ton of body work, dent repair, get this thing ready to be painted. It's been long awaited. We've been holding out for a while. It's gonna be fun. So let's go ahead and load this thing up, fire this thing up, and talk to you guys in a second. Okay guys, car is loaded up. That actually went really smooth. Like, surprisingly smooth. Would you agree? It's pretty good, right? Pretty good load.
Whoa, bro.
Pretty good.
Whoa, bro.
Anyway guys, we're gonna head to Charlie's house and talk to you guys when we get there. Or if something eventful happens. You're gonna need everything you got right now in that there. Guys, we made it a little bit down the road and the trunk popped open. So we're gonna fix that real quick, run here, maybe grab some food and some caffeine because we're gonna need it. The goal of this journey is to get that car completely prepped for paint in about 3 days. So we got a lot of work to do. It's gonna take a lot to get done. But we'll go over it more when we get there. But for now, flash forward to Charlie's house. So we made it into Charlie's garage. Charlie, excited?
No.
I'm freaking
Dude, I'm pretty excited.
I'm pretty excited. We got a beautiful car here. She is ready for the full treatment. Guys, we're going to sand it down, filler, everything, the whole 9 yards. First thing we're gonna do, this thing is filthy, so we're gonna wash her off, get her back in here, and then get this sanded. The goal is we are gonna not sleep tonight and just stay up all night and sand. So it's gonna be fun, it's gonna be exciting.
We have also
a table of tools.
So basically we have 2 gallons of Bondo.
Sweet.
This is fast dry and what you got is just regular. And then we have all of these tools. PA, which is going to come in handy. A lot of this is going to be hand sanded though. And then with Bondo, something like this, or a stick like this around the joints. For the most part, that's about it.
Yeah.
It's a lot.
So stuff like this, these fenders that are reproduction aren't going to be too bad. We just have to scuff them up. But stuff like the hood, the body, especially the driver's door, is going to be a pain. Just getting through all the old paint, getting down to the metal, and should be interesting. So we're going to get started. Talk to you guys in a bit. Okay guys, so it has been a few hours since I've talked to you guys. We really just went straight to work and we have sanded the whole car, first sand with 120 grit. You guys can see everything's scuffed up and we have a lot of work to do, wouldn't you say, Mr. Review?
Just a wee bit.
We got a gallon of Bondo and 2 gallons of Bondo, so we're probably gonna use all of that. But the plan is we're gonna keep on working, sanding some spots down, filling in this whole quarter back here. Pretty much gonna be skimmed over. A whole lot of little stuff we gotta touch up on, but we're gonna keep sanding. We got Nathan here. Hey,
hello. Don't say it like that.
Got Nathan over here. Sorry. 3 people making it happen. We're gonna knock this car out.
No. 2 people making it happen.
2 people making it happen, you're right. And oh. Sorry, Nathan. Sorry, bud.
Dude, lick this off my fingers.
Sorry, come here.
Literal liquid crack.
The worst spot is this rear quarter. So we're having to fill in here, making this body line smooth. Same with this big dent where it was hit. And we've got some metal work to do down here. Same back here, there are a bunch of flat spots here. We had to fill in all of this. Still got some work to do with that.
Tomorrow.
Hey guys, so it is the next day. We worked late into the night last night and actually got a lot done, but there still is a lot left. Charlie got sleepy, I got sleepy. And so we went in, got about 4 hours of sleep, and we're back at it. We have a good game plan for the rest of the day. What we're gonna do is knock out these quarters. We still have some Bondo work to do, a little bit of work on the roof, but this quarter is the big boy we're worried about. We're gonna have to weld in some new metal right here. So we'll show you guys that. And then on the other side, just a little bit of touch up. And yeah, it should be good. Everything's looking nice and straight though. I'm happy. We got everything sanded down nice. We just have to thaw through and get it all done. So. Good morning. It is day 3 of the Mustang bodywork episode. And guys, we're getting a lot done, but we're getting a little tired. But anyway, today, originally the plan was to shoot the primer, but the primer store where we're gonna go get it was closed and we couldn't find what we needed anywhere else, so I'm gonna have to order it. So we'll save that for the next video. But today, the main focus is to get all the bodywork done, all the main stuff, all the filler done, all the sanding done, and just have some small stuff for next time, so when we are gonna shoot the primer, get this thing really ready to paint. But today we're gonna be focusing on the quarter panel over there that needs a lot of touch up, and the wheel well over here that needs some work. But and we got a lot to do. We got a lot left to do, and today's the last day before the week starts, and we all have jobs. So we're gonna get to work. Charlie will be right back, heading around to the neighbor's house, and I'm gonna start sanding and knocking this thing out. It's about, I don't even know, it's Sunday morning, afternoon, something like that. And we're gonna start sanding and knock this thing out. I'll talk to you guys in a minute, give you guys some updates, and film some more time lapses, and it should be cool. That sucks. Okay guys, this is gonna be a wrap for this video. To say the absolute least, things are a lot worse than we imagined, and the car's not getting primered in this video. Next video it should. We got a lot more stuff to do, and I'll show you guys exactly what we're dealing with. Mainly, the door's off. So talk to you guys later. See you guys in the next episode, and stay tuned.